Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's in today's Python tutorial we are going to understand how the if-else problem in Python language we work by solving a simple and practical example. So the problem is that email status checker. We have to check the email status by using the conditions written in this problem. So this function will return valid or invalid passkey. So without wasting our time, let's look at the code. So define check email. So this is basically a function that will this is a function that will return the value. So first condition is length of email is less than 8 or at the rate is not in the email. So the function, this function will return the statement is the email is invalid. So the next condition is that else if elif means else if email ends with at the rate company.com. So the function check email status will pass the value. The value in this function return is at the email is professional, because at the rate company.com specifies the email to the professional level. So in last condition is else if the check email status will passes the value that ends with .com or at the rate gmail.com. So the function check email status will pass the value that will return the email is personal. So look at the example. We will solve this problem using the if-else statement. So by if-else statement we will check if length of email is less than or at the rate is not in the email. This or means at least one condition from left or right must be true. So if both of the condition is false, so then it will not return, it will go back. If both of the condition are true, this function executes, and this function execute and return a value that this mail is invalid, as we learned in this problem. So as in progress we will see the example of this. For example, we have an email as ali@company.com. So the function will return a value that is this email is professional. Okay, as look at this thing shows as the email is professional, otherwise the function will return the mail is personal. So this is all about the if else problem we are looking in Python language. So as soon as Python finds this condition to be true, it will return valid or invalid conclusion according to the condition. So thank you. I hope this example helps you understand conditional statements if else in Python. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python programming lessons. Thank you.